uh, tropism. The movement is towards the direction of the stimuli. Negative is opposite than the stimuli. This type of movement is called. Number one is phototropism. This is the type of this is the type of tropic movement. Photo means light. It is the movement of plant response. Are you observe in daily the different types of plants? Some plants are moving to finding the light, and they are moving towards the sunlight. Uh, for example, in a dark room, we will put a one plant, and the one hole show the in the one hole the light is entered into the room. The plant movement is towards the sunlight. It is towards uh, it is shown on the slide. It is towards the light. It is called positive tropism, uh, bending of shoot towards the light. If the shoot system they are moving towards the light, they show the positive tropism, phototropism. But in the case of root, they are moved towards the uh, soil, and it is show the negative tropism. Another type of tropism is called geotropism. It is related to the gravity, Earth gravity. Uh, and shoot system show the negative geotropism, and the root system show the positive geotropism. And the third type of tropism is called hydro. Hydro means water, and hydro means water. It is movement of plant response to water. We will give the example of hydrotropism. See the diagram which is in front of you. Growth movement in response to unilateral stimulus of water are known as hydrotropism. Roots are the positive hydrotropism as they bend towards the source. Observe the diagram. The one plant is grow inside and show the hydrotropism by the curve. Listen and observe carefully the root of the plant, and they are moving towards the finding water. I will explain again tropic movement. Tropic movement is related to the growth. Growth show the different movements like uh, it movement is show the uh, towards the stimuli. This is called positive, and if the stimuli opposite direction, growth show the negative uh, stimuli. For example, there are three types of movement. Photo means towards the light. It is movement of plant in the response of light. If the plant move towards the light for the preparation of the food, they are finding the sunlight. These type of movement is called phototropism. And the second one is geotropism, as shown figure. The shoot system show the uh, negative geotropism, and the root system show the positive geotropism because it moved towards the earth gravity. Hydrotropism. Hydro means water. uh, the movement show the finding of water is called hydrotropism. Like it is shown in the figure. Uh, Observe the diagram. The root is moved towards the finding water, and they are show the hydros curve structure. It means they are finding the water and move towards the water. This is called hydrotropism. Now we will move towards the tectic movement. This is the another type of movement the plants show. This type of movement is show the small plants. The tactic movement is the movement of locomotion. In this movement, the whole plant move uh, one place to another place, and it is also a three types: tactic and chromotactic and the thermotactic. Photo means light. If the light is not suitable for the small animal, unicellular or plant, they are move away from the light. Like this, some chemicals are very uh, uh, harmful for the plants, so they are moving one place to another place. Like thermostatic temp, it is related to the temperature. If the temperature is not suitable for the small plants, they are moving, and these all the plants are present inside the water, in the water. This is the example of Chlamydomonas, and it show the negative and positive type of movement. This is the unicellular plant, and the third one is chemotactic. Chemotactic movement is in the uh, ovary. During the pollination, the pollen grain are stick on the stigma, and they are moving and make a pollen tube like this. Like this. Observe the diagram. Pollen grains are set on the stigma, and they are moving towards the egg and make a special type of tube. This type of movement is called chemotropic. I will again repeat the tactic movement. The tactic movement is the locomotion in which the whole plant or whole body is moved here and there, and it is small, simple, and unicellular occur. It is occur in the small, simple, and unicellular organism. Unicellular algae and euglena, they are show the movement, uh, and they are moving here and there after taking the different types of thing. It is three types: phototactic, chemotactic, and thermotactic. Photo means light. If the light is not suitable for the unicellular plants, they are moving one place to another place after taking high light. And the thermotactic means if the temperature is not suitable for the plant, they are moving or change the place. And the third one is chemotactic. Chemotactic is used in the process of fertilization. The pollen grain is stick on the stigma, and they are moving towards the ovas in the ovary and make one type of tube like this. The yellow color show the pollen tube. This type of movement is called pollen chemotactic movement. Now we will move towards the last type of movement. This is called Gnostic movement. In the Gnostic movement, there are plants show the movement stimulus that are direction of the stimulus. It is also a different types. For example, some plants bodies are show the uh, uh, different types of movement, like photonasty. Photo means light. Some parts of the body show plant body show the light response. For example, some flowers are open in the presence of sunlight, and after the sun rises, they are uh, bent. Thermonasty means it is responsible for the uh, is movement of related to the temperature. If the temperature is high, for example, tulip flower, the temperature is high, the flower is closes. Third one is Gnostic movement. This is not directional. The one example of the Gnostic movement is the plant of touch me not. If we will touch the different part of the leaf, they are closest. Gnostic movement is the third type of movement. They show the movement. It is a plant movement stimulus by the different types. Photonasty, or the most important are thermonasty, photonasty, and uh, complexness. Photonasty is the movement of part of the plant showing the different parts like flower. Flower show the opening and closing activity by the help of uh, sunlight. If the temperature is high, some flowers are closes like tulip flower, and it is suddenly closed by the taking high temperature. Some parts of the flower are closes than if we touch it. For example, the flower of the leaves of touch me not are closes after touching the leaves. Alright. Now I will explain you the home task. Define the following term: tropic movement. Only you will define the definition of the tropic movement, tactic movement, and nastic movement. And also you read the endocrine system from the page number 12. This is your home task. Define the following term: tropic movement, tactic movement, and nastic movement. And also you will read the endocrine system from the page number 12.